Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Peak on Mac. The popular co-op climbing game Peak isn't directly available for Mac OS users. This is primarily because the Mac gaming market is smaller, and the game uses Windows-specific graphics technology. However, don't worry, there are several effective ways to get this exciting game running on your Apple computer. We'll explore these options to ensure you can join your friends on the mountain. One of the easiest ways to play Peak on your Mac is through cloud gaming services. Platforms like Cloud Deck, Shadow PC, or Boosteroid run the game on high-performance servers and stream it directly to your device. This means you don't need a powerful Mac, just a stable internet connection. Boosteroid, for example, supports 4K resolution at 120 frames per second on newer M3 Macs, offering a smooth experience. If you prefer to run the game locally, compatibility layers are a great option. Tools such as Crossover create a virtual Windows environment on your Mac, allowing you to install and play the PC version of Peak directly. While Crossover offers strong performance, especially on Apple Silicon Macs, a free alternative called Whiskey is also available, though it might require a bit more setup and troubleshooting. When using cloud gaming, a stable internet connection is crucial for a smooth experience. For local solutions like Crossover, be aware that hosting multiplayer games might not be fully supported, though joining others usually works. Remember, if you're looking for the Peak Brain Training app, that is natively available on the Mac App Store, offering over 45 games to challenge your cognitive skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.